The shredder is evenly loaded with data material. The conveyor belt transports the paper to the cutting rollers for shredding. In the event of overfilling of the cutting device, the automatic reversing system is activated and controls the cutting process itself. Via the feed flap, the press can be used without the shredder. An optical and acoustic signal indicates that the pressing volume has been reached. The shredder stops automatically. To bind the pressed bale, the ends of the band are loosened and the feeder flap is opened. In front of the marking arrows, the band pulling hook is suspended, pulled out, and subsequently reinserted in the band lifter. The end of the band is knotted to the band in front. The feeding flap is closed, and the middle unlocking switch is operated. The safety lock can now be undone, and the discharge flap will be opened. Keep the forward button pressed until the pressed bale has been fully expelled. The bale is now ready. Insert the binding bands and attach firmly to the provided holder. The PE bag is now pushed on fully. The discharge flap is lifted, the bolt secured, and the flap closed. The shredder press combination is now ready to operate again.